Look at the nature. It's calm, right? It's soothing. Then why we are different? We are part of this nature, then why can't we keep ourselves calm for the next few days? Let's give break to the nature. We all go on vacations and trips. Let's give nature a gift. Let's give nature its own time to heal. Let's just sit back at home, spend time with family and friends. If you're alone, then learn something new, create something new, watch your old travel photos and videos, show to the people and tell stories. And you'll never know how the days will pass. Coronavirus has given the time for this, so I request you all to utilize it and be safe and be happy. Everything will be fine. Just have faith in nature.